Tracy gang, I'm back again with another video. So today's video is going to be all about this Brazilian body wave hair from Cynosure Hair. I think that's how you say it. I got in the inches. I got in a 14-inch closure, 16, 18, and 20 inches for the bundles. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I straighten up this body wave hair. This hair is so bomb, and it's just so like, I love the way this hair feels. It's like full from the wefts to the ends. This hair is amazing. And so this is the hair at its natural state, and I'm just gonna flat iron it out for you guys so y'all can see how that looks. The waves on this hair is just like amazing. It looks good naturally, but I need to style it up for you guys so y'all can see, you know, if it can go both ways, you know what I'm saying. So enough of me talking. Y'all gonna just watch me straighten my hair. I'm not even gonna do a voiceover. I'm just gonna straighten out the hair. Y'all can watch me do that. Then towards the end of the video, y'all gonna see like my final thoughts about my hair and how I feel about it straightened out and all of that. So continue watching, and yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna show you how I do it like with one pass. So I get the brush it out. Get this bad boy. It's hot, I can feel it. And straighten it out. Dang, she wasn't lying. She sure wasn't lying. Look at that. One pass. Alright, I'm about to do the rest. So I'm done straightening out my hair. Look how it looks, y'all. It's so flowy. I like it a lot. Yeah, it's so cute. I like it. It's so shiny. I'm actually going to put a serum on it once I get off camera, just to like hold it so it's not going to get frizzy throughout the day. But yeah, it straightened out pretty good, y'all, and I had no problems with it tangling up. It doesn't even shed. I'm like running my hands through it right now. No shedding at all. The closure is bomb. Like, look at this closure. I just left like a little bit of my baby hairs and like did like a little bit of swoops, but nothing too major. This is some good hair, quick and easy hair. I like it. Slow maintenance, very affordable. So you guys should check it out. You know, Thanksgiving's coming up and you want to look cute for your fam. So you guys should definitely check out this hair company. Links will be down below in the description box. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!